In this video, we're breaking down precision agriculture, a modern farming approach that uses AI to understand soil, water, and crop needs with incredible accuracy. By the end, you'll know exactly how AI systems turn raw field data into decisions that improve yield, reduce waste, and boost farm profits. So what exactly is precision agriculture? Well, it is the practice of managing a farm plant by plant instead of treating the whole field the same. Traditionally, farmers apply the same amount of seeds, fertilizer, and water across an entire field. But in reality, each area has different soil nutrients, water holding capacity, sunlight, and even pest pressure. Precision agriculture solves this by using AI, sensors, drones, and satellite data to measure what each part of the farm needs and deliver resources exactly where they are required. It's farming guided by data, not guesswork. Let's start with how AI reads the soil. AI-powered soil analysis begins with three types of data. First, we have soil sensors. These IoT devices are placed in the ground to track moisture, pH, nutrients like nitrogen and potassium, and temperature. They send real-time updates directly to an AI dashboard. Second is satellite and drone imaging. AI scans color signatures in aerial images to detect things like nutrient deficiencies, dead patches, or differences in organic matter. Finally, there are soil history models. AI compares today's data with previous seasons to understand long-term soil behavior. Once all this data comes in, AI systems can predict soil fertility and recommend where to add fertilizer, how much, the best formulation, and the exact timing. This prevents over-fertilizing and gives each section exactly what it needs for healthy growth. Next up, how AI optimizes water use. This is where precision agriculture really shines. AI irrigation systems measure soil moisture at different depths, daily evaporation rates, crop water demand, and even upcoming weather forecasts. Using all this information, AI calculates the perfect amount of water required for each specific zone on the farm. For example, if rain is predicted in 4 hours, the AI will delay irrigation. If certain zones are drying out faster than others, the AI increases water only there. And if a crop is entering a crucial growth stage, it adjusts the water supply accordingly. Smart irrigation systems have been shown to reduce water waste by 20 to 40% on real farms. AI systems don't just react, they predict. Using machine learning, crop models can simulate how plants grow, how they respond to weather, how many nutrients they'll use, and when they might be stressed. The AI is constantly checking for early signs of disease, pest risks, nutrient deficiencies, and problems with canopy growth. Then it sends targeted recommendations, like increased nitrogen in Zone 6, or a water stress detected on the West Block, or even pest outbreak likely in 72 hours spray only Zone 3. This eliminates unnecessary spraying, fertilizing, and watering across the entire farm. For instance, some tomato farmers using AI models have increased their yield by 25% simply because they detected water stress early, long before any visible signs appeared. So let's put it all together. Here's the full cycle of AI-powered precision agriculture. First, you collect data using sensors, drones, and satellites. Next, AI analyzes this data, interpreting patterns that humans might miss. Then, AI models predict future needs for water, fertilizer, and even disease risk. After that, the AI recommends the exact amount of inputs for each part of the field. And finally, automated tractors, irrigation systems, and robots act on these recommendations, applying resources with incredible precision. And the best part? The AI learns from each season and becomes smarter over time, creating a feedback loop that continuously boosts efficiency and yield. Precision agriculture is more than just a technology trend. It's a solution to major global farming challenges. We're talking higher yields, lower input costs, reduced water and fertilizer waste, healthier soil, greater sustainability, and better profits for farmers. With AI leading the way, farming becomes predictable, efficient, and climate smart. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you learned something new, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling us which precision agriculture tool we should explain next.